Hi dear all, good afternoon. Today I'm going to discuss how to calculate minimum data diversity for women in STATA. So first of all, we can discuss some minimum data diversity. If we see the guideline, FANTA guideline mainly, we will use this guideline. FANTA guideline means Food and Agriculture Organization in the United Nations, minimum data diversity. So we will use this guideline, and based on the guideline, already we collected data, but obviously I have to use the example data because we cannot share the original data. So during data analysis, I use example data already. I shared the link in the video description. Please click on the link, then you can download the data and you can apply this data for practice purpose. So based on this guideline, we can collect data data using this question, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18, around 18 food item. And among the food item, we can generate 10 food group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 food group. So first, we have to create 10 variable, that means 10 food groups using the 18 food item. And then we have to create a variable minimum data diversity using this definition. This is the definition. So this is the food item questionnaire. So we can go to the STATA. So first we have to open the data set. So like the previous video, I have kept the data in D drive within ABC folder name ASFIS two data set. One is ASFIS, already we have discussed in the previous session. Today we'll discuss MDD. So we have to open this data set. There are many variables, and Q1 to 9A, this data set for food security, and A to Q, this data set only for MDD. And these are 24-hour recall, and each and every question, the answer is yes, no. So yes, just I use this guideline. So first of all, we have to check the value. It is 0, 1 or 1, 2. So sum, set all A to Z. Yes, all are 0, 1. Sometimes we can get result don't know, 88 means don't know, 99, but we have to convert 0, 1, 1. So we have to check the value. Obviously 0, 1, otherwise it is not possible to analyze data but create the variable. And if we follow this guideline, then obviously we have to use this 0, 1 data set. So first of all, we have to create number 1 variable. So obviously we use do file. So already I open the data clear. This is the syntax for opening data. Okay. Then we have to make the first variable. First variable is grains, wheat, root, tuber. So then, sorry, we will then MDD1 is equal to 0 if, sorry, replace MDD1 is equal to 1 if, so if we see guideline A and B, if A or B is 1, so if the variable A, B, two variable, if A সমান 1 or B সমান 1. This is the OR symbol. Okay. Then if we give run, just give run, tab, almost 100%. Generally, for Bangladesh side, obviously the prevalence of this variable gains wide root 1 must be. But each and every people take at least one item using gains or tuber or roots. For this reason, the prevalence is 100%. So levar MDD 1 just copy this and paste. Okay. Then second variable, then MDD2 is equal to 0. Replace MDD2 is equal to 1 if we see guideline, if only C if C is equal to 1. Levar MDD2 pulse and lentil. Okay. Second, then MDD3 is equal to 0. Replace MDD3 command 1 if, so definition of 3 only D. So if D সমান 1, levar MDD3 nut and seeds. Okay. Yes. Now then MDD4 is equal to 0. Replace MDD4 1 if for milk and milk product. So the main variable or food item E and F, milk and milk product. Okay. Milk and milk product means yogurt or etc. And in our data set, F mean milk and cheese or yogurt same. Cheese or yogurt and milk product same. So no problem. If E সমান 1 or F সমান 1, levar MDD4 milk and milk product. Okay, then MDD 5 0 replace MDD 5 সমান 1 if 5 oh sorry 5 there are many variables GHIJK organ, red meat, processed meat, poultry meat, and fish and seafood. If we see our data set, yes, heart means organ meat, okay, same. Beef, goat, lamb, rabbit, red flesh food already, red meat and beef, same dish. Processed food, J poultry, J poultry, white meat such as chicken, same dish, same thing. Fish and sea fish, fresh fish, frozen, all are equal, no problem. So we can use GHIJK. GHIJK because our data set and food item is the same. So 1 or 1 or 1 or 1 or and in the last 1. Okay. Or okay. So lever AMDD 5 meat and meat and Control C copy, and we have to paste here. Okay. Then gen AMDD 6 is equal to 0. Replace AMDD 6 1 if AMDD 6, the definition of 6 L, just L. If L is equal to 1, lever means level var AMDD 6 just X. Okay. Now AMDD 7 0 replace AMDD 7 1 if dark green leafy vegetables, so only M. So if M is equal to 1, lever AMDD 7, so we can copy this level and paste here. Then the 8th variable gen MDD 8 0 replace MDD 8 if 8 contain 2 food item NO. N is equal to 1 or O is equal to 1. Okay. Lever MDD 8. So we can copy these 2 line. Okay. So the 9th variable, gen MDD 9 is equal to 0. Replace MDD 9 is equal to 1. If 9 means other vegetable only P. P is equal to 1, liver, AMDD 9. So we can copy this label and paste here. Okay. Now, gen. So we can save the do file. Save the do file. Where we can save AMDD do. Okay. So AMDD 10 0 replace AMDD 10 1 if Q, only Q is equal to 1, liver, AMDD 10, other fruits. Just we have to copy the other fruit this label. Yes, okay. So if we clear the all data set, that's clear, then I will newly open. So first open, we will, okay. This is our do file. Just we have to press the run button. This is the run button. Okay. There is a problem. Problem is that. Okay. Where is the problem? Problem ended to not found. Oh, sorry. MDD. A typo. Just MMD, not AMDD. MDD. So we have to run again. So MDD, sorry, MDD is any problem? MDD, okay. Yes, now all are complete. So that we can clear and we can run again. Just press the execute selection means run button. Yes, all are okay. Hey, this is our original food item collected from household using questionnaire, and this is our new data. So there is another issue, that is, obviously we have to select another command. We have to mention the missing value. Replace is equal to missing if. So remember please, if there is any missing value. So generally, based on our questionnaire properties, if this value contain missing, then obviously all will be missing. For example, sorry, if the first variable, this is the first variable, if the first variable contain any missing value, obviously all variable contain missing value based on this case. For example, BR, this is our data diversity food item. For example, if this variable is missing, sorry, If this variable is missing, then obviously all will be missing. All will be missing. All will be missing. Because in our data collection, there is a instruction or characteristics. Obviously, we have to collect full data. If any data will be missing, then if it will be missing, then obviously it also missing, it will be missing. So just during mention missing value, just we have to, if A is equal to missing. So we can copy, and replace so zero real value change because in my data set there is no missing value. But if you have not missing value, then you should write this syntax. So this is our syntax for creating data diversity food group. First food group, second food group, third food group, fourth food group, fifth, sixth, up to 7, but we have to check again and again. Then MDD is equal to all are addition. Just this value joke, this value joke, additive property, plus, all are plus. Okay, just le bhar MDD just dietary diversity score. Sorry, dietary diversity score. Okay. Oh, sorry, we have to have gen. Then give the run. Okay. Tab. This is the data diversity score. Okay. Yeah. 2, 9. The 2 means number of 2, number of 3, number 4. But we have to create a variable MDD cat is equal to 0. Replace one if MDD greater or equal 5. Greater or equal 5. That means this definition. Greater at least greater or equal 5. Okay. So 5. Obviously, we have to define missing value. Replace MDD is equal to missing if MDD missing. Although in this data set there is no missing value, but obviously we have to mention. lady. Now I have to define the value label. So sometime I use lady, labor, value label. If you don't know this procedure, please watch the previous video. Maybe the second video in this section, I have uploaded a new video on how to define label and value label. So please watch this video. Then it will be very easy to understand. Zero means less than 5, group 1 means at least 5 groups. Just replace, okay, level 2 times level minimum dietary diversity, minimum dietary diversity for women. Okay, if we run this, just select and run this. It's all run. So tab minimum diversity. Yes, the minimum dietary diversity is 61%. Maybe it is clear to all. Tab. And this is the procedure of calculating minimum dietary diversity. I have shared the syntax. So I would request you to please see the video. And this is the data set. Already I have shared the link of downloading the data set. Please download the data set from link and practice based on this syntax. Okay, now I am stopping here. Thank you very much.